Ghost Ranger 501. Welcome everybody to a cool video of the history of ELS engines. And folks, part 1, obviously we had to start off with ELS 1221. The engine has made a return to mainline service. Let's talk about it. So it was built in 1955 for the Reserve Mining Company. If you've heard the Reserve Mining Company, they are known for... They were a mining company, so they were always having to put those engines in the mines. So then, in 1922, it was sold to the Escanaba and Lake Superior Railroad, where it has run since up to 2016, when it went out of service for a bit. And now, after years of it being on what they call the deadline tracks on ELS from 2016 to 2024, they have re-brought in that SD9 locomotive back to service. This one of the two remaining SD9 locomotives still in service. The other one being ELS 1223, that is a backup switching unit, restricted. It's restricted to that Escanaba and Wales part of the line. But yeah, 1221 served a good history being with the Reserve Mine Company, and if you look at it, this is still the same painting on that engine. The paint you're seeing right now in the video from I got a little bit ago from the ELS, that is still the original paint they used on the Chicago on the Reserve Mining Company. And by the way, the initials for it was RSMX 1221. So it is really cool to see these cool engines, because to explain, from 1922, the ELS bought, I think it was 4 or 5 SD9s plus 2 SW8s. So they bought 1220, 1221, 1222, 1223, and 1224. Those are the SD9 units, and the SDWs were 1200 and 1201. 1200 works in the Wales now, and 1221 works the Menominee as a secondary with ELS 1222. But yeah, that is the history behind it. But yeah, the SD9s are very much got the power in them. They can generate 1,750 horsepower with their EMD 567C 16-cylinder engines. And for people asking about when these things would have been built, it was between January of 1954 and June of 1959. And well, there were a total of 514 of these produced. And obviously, well, a good amount, you still see the ELS taking some of these things. Because the Reserve Mining, they had 6 of them. All 6 did go to the ELS. It was 1220 and 1225. And it's really cool to see that the ELS still are running one of these awesome engines. But that is it, folks. Enjoy the last clip from the 1222 stuff I've got. Hopefully, I will see this train tomorrow. I know it is in Cribbets, Wisconsin, at the yard by itself, while ELS 501, 502, and 503 are on the Kurtz to Green Bay portion of the line. But thank you guys for enjoying this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like, hit that subscribe button, share this video out. This is gonna be episode 1 of probably several of these. It's a little mini series, but it is really awesome. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of this of 1222 with 502 in Pembine in Beach, Wisconsin. Peace out, everybody. Are you kidding me? I finally got the train and I have to like disconnect the load. Oh my god, I